Welcome to Ultimate CAD Lab. In today's tutorial, we will design water tank in CATIA software. So, let's get started. First, go to Start, navigate to the Mechanical Design, and then select Part Design Workbench. Now enter the suitable name for design, and click on OK. Here, I have a 2D drafting image of a water tank if you want it, then its link is available in the description. Here, we can see the horizontal length of the water tank is given, which is 914.4, and we are also given the vertical length, which is also 914.4. Now, return to the workbench. We will start by creating the base shape. Select XY plane and click on Sketch Positioning. Now, adjust the axis as per your requirement and click on OK. Now, draw a circle that represents the bottom of the tank. Keep the diameter around 914.4 millimeters, though you can adjust it as per your requirement. Once done, exit the sketch. Now, to give this tank some height, we will use the Pad tool. Select the circle sketch and pad it to a height of 914.4 millimeters. I want pad in reverse direction. Then click on OK, and there you go. We now have a basic cylinder, which forms the main body of the tank. Here we can see the upper face of the water tank is slightly tilted, but no dimensions are given here. So we are now going to use the chamfer tool. Select the edge, and then click on the chamfer tool. Add a length of 200 millimeters here, and click OK. Here we can see our tilted surface is created. Now, click on YZ plane, then go to Sketch Positioning and click on OK. Draw a vertical axis line on the side of the cylinder. With the help of Constraint tool, add a distance of 1.5 feet from the center axis to the axis just drawn. Now, create a circle on that axis and make its diameter 30. We need similar circles on the same axis 5 more times, so we will use Translate tool. Go to the Translate tool, then select the circle and give the instances 5. Now, select the axis and set value 100 millimeters, then again click on axis for the direction. Now draw a line above the axis. We have to trim some unwanted lines here, so we will use the Quick Trim tool and trim all the unwanted lines. After trimming all the unwanted lines, click on Exit Workbench. Now, we need to revolve this reinforcement 360 degrees, so we will use the Shaft command. In the Shaft Definition window, choose the axis of revolution if it is not automatically detected. Now select the XY plane and click on Sketch Positioning, adjust the axis and click OK. Make 2 circles on the top face. Then select Constraints. After that, select the first circle and constrain it to coincidence with the outer edge of the water tank. Then, select the second circle and constrain it to coincidence with the inner edge of the water tank. Create two rectangles, first vertically and second horizontally. After that, select the constraints and allow symmetry line between the first rectangle along the vertical axis. Next, allow symmetry line between the second rectangle along the horizontal axis. Add 200 mm distance vertically and horizontally. Now we have to remove unwanted lines. For this, we will use Quick Trim tool and trim the lines. After removing all the lines, click on the Exit workbench. Now go to the Pad command and select it up to next type, then pad in reverse direction and click OK. Here, 80% of our water tank design is ready. A water tank needs a lid, right? So let's add that. Select top face of the water tank, then click on Sketch Positioning and adjust the axis. Then, click on OK. Create a new sketch on the top face, draw two circles. Give the diameter 450 and 350. Then click on Exit Workbench. Pad it 50 mm upward. This forms the tank cover. Now, to make this a real tank, we need to hollow it out. Select the Shell tool, pick the top face, and set a thickness of 8 mm. This ensures the tank has a proper inner volume while maintaining structural strength. Sharp edges? Let's smooth them out. Use the Fillet tool and apply a 10 mm radius to the top and lid edges. And apply 30 mm radius to the bottom edges for a professional look. To give a realistic look to the water tank, you will have to change the color inside it, so go to the specification tree and select Shell command. After that, go to Properties and fill the white color, then click on Apply. Now, we can see that our water tank looks real. Hide all the planes. Finally, let's give it a realistic appearance. Go to Materials, choose plastic or metal, just like real-world water tanks. And that's it. Our water tank design is complete. So that's how you design a professional-looking water tank in CATIA. If you found this tutorial helpful, Hit the like button, subscribe to Ultimate CAD Lab, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.